Hey guys, it's me, Brisa, and I'm back again with another video. And today we're going to be playing Flood Escape, and I'm naked. Okay, wait, be right back. Okay, now I'm not naked. How about while we're waiting for one of these to open, let's do the subscribe challenge. I'm going to count to 10, and you have to turn on the notification bell, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment hashtag done when done. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you guys do it? If you guys didn't do it, it's fine. You could do it. You could do it if you didn't have time to do this. It's right there. Ooh. Should we go on easy first and then medium and then hard? Yeah, I think I should do that. Okay, easy is easy, so... Dun, 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 dun. Should we spectate one of the players? Who should we spectate? Bionica22 or Ala Rainbow Unicorn? I think the first one. Ooh, they're at the last level. Comment down below if you guys play this game. Okay. You got the moves. I'm joking, guys. But easy starts in... wait, let me stretch. Oh, easy starts in 5 seconds. Oh no. It's starting. Round beginning. Lowering move. Go, go, go. We need to work in the teamwork, guys. It is not playtime. Water cleaner. Hey, guys, get over here! Someone died. 2 people died already because you look on the top a little bit left. It says 5 to 7 players left. So 7 players started playing and then 2 died. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 to 4 is 5 is 2. Yeah. All the people over the bomb. Go. Did you guys get over here? Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. Let's go up. Yeah, and I think they resurrected me without me. The last level, guys. Okay, everyone's waiting for the last level and it didn't hurry up. Okay guys, let's go to medium. Let's see medium is a cute. No, the medium is gonna happen right now. We have to run. Ah! Medium. Come on guys, say it with me. Medium. Okay. You only. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Lowering lift. Oh. Right when I came, gonna name after this time. Oh my god. Better stop doing this. So I like to make a tight jump. Perfect, really open. I think I dropped it in that thing. I am so sorry. 203 players. Hello. We have to keep up the work. You know what I'm saying? You have to be faster. I'll get this guard over here. I'm trying to get this, but I don't. He didn't even do anything. He's just making me go over here. He wants me to die, and then when I'm dead, you can do everything by yourself. Go, Pizza, go. Oh, I'm stuck. Go, guy, go! Are you serious? Really? Press the button! Oh, I'm done. Wait, how do we do this? Yeah! No! Guys, we're still doing medium! Even though we're dead, we're still doing it! Medium! And then we're gonna do hard, which is really hard. So yeah, we have to wait. Oh no, it's going. You only have 5 seconds to start. Beep! Oh yeah, that's our beep. Okay guys, we're going. Someone press the button. Up there. There's a button going there. Go, guys. No, you get over here. Come on. Who's gonna get that button? Lisa. Oh my god, everyone wants it. Oh no. I don't think we can. Oh, dang it! Guys, I'll be back when Okay, guys, it started again, and I keep on dying and I do right stuff, but sometimes they're wrong, and I'm trying to keep up with my team. I don't want no arguing or no nothing. I just want to save my team so we could all win for it. It could be really even. But someone already died. Oh no. Sorry guys, my dogs are barking. So I don't know what, so. No! Dang it. Okay guys, I just went and touched my doggies. Oh, why am I going to the extreme? What? I'm my eyes are tired. Okay, since we can't do medium, we'll do it right now. Let's just do this one. I'm really tired. We need to work as a team. Go press that button. all dead right there. I'm not putting in that small thing. I'm going up here. No! 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 The rat! Yes. I hope I pass the medium now. I'm barely made it. Oh no, someone died. Guys, we need to work as a team. Not just try to win first. I'm so sorry. And guys, at least there's another one. But there's only 10 seconds left. Oh, sorry. No, somebody died again. Guys, no! No! Okay, guys, I'm sorry I couldn't pass medium or hard, but only easy. And I'm gonna end this video here. So if you didn't subscribe, thumbs up the video, turn on the notification bell, and comment #done. Just go do it. Just do it. Bye, guys.